What's something people don't know about banana tarts? They're super simple to make. Let's dive in and create the perfect one together. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a pre-made pie crust, or if you're feeling fancy, make your own. Lay it in a tart pan and prick the bottom with a fork. Now slice up 3 ripe bananas. Arrange them evenly over the crust. In a bowl, whisk together 3 eggs, half a cup of sugar, a cup of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Pour this mixture over the bananas. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on top for that extra flavor kick. Pop it in the oven for about 40 minutes or until the filling is set and the top is golden brown. Let it cool before slicing and serving. Here's a pro tip. Drizzle some caramel sauce on top before serving for an extra touch of sweetness. And there you have it. A perfect banana tart that's sure to impress. Happy baking!